I'm sorry if this video will publishes late because there's only like 30 minutes left until what this video is scheduled for, and I haven't even started. Well, I will start the script. Stop. Come on. Okay, there we go. Today I will start the scratch box toy. First, we may start with the move 10 steps. Now, it doesn't have to be 10, you can just make it anything now. Let's say 2. Now, if you click that, the scratch cat move really slowly. Now try this number. So for example, 15. Now, to move, the scratch cat will move faster. So move the spikes all the way to the back and attach it to one green flag. Every time we click the green flag, this scratch cat will move 15 steps. The second block we're going to learn is turn 15 degrees. Depending on how high this number is, for example, 2 is 1, that would rotate by only very, 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 very little. This is, for example, 50. Scratch cat will rotate by a lot. Now, this is the clockwise one. This is a counterclockwise. Now, if you click this, and you have 50 in the input, the scratch cat will turn 50 degrees clockwise. This turn counterclockwise 15 degrees. If you click it, scratch cat will rotate 15 degrees counterclockwise. Nice. So now attach them together, and you see scratch cat turns 50 and then turns 15 right away. So 50 counterclockwise and 15 counterclockwise. So that's right away. 50 minus 15, 35 degrees clockwise. You can get the same effects by running them separately. Now, this is the end of this tutorial. Please wait for episode 2. You will learn the go to random position block, go to XY block, the glide 1 second to random position block, and glide 1 second to XY block. Until then, stay tuned for the next episode.